when you come in as a new franchisee, right? We put focus what we call jumpstart. So you come in and it's about a 68-week program for any of our brands. It's before training. So these are the 6 or 8 weeks that have a whole bunch of tasks that you got to complete, online education, whether there's licensing for one particular brand or another, right? It's all the things you need to do, setting up DBAs and business accounts. It's all the stuff you got to get done to open your business leading up to training. And all that has to be completed before you come to training, right? Because we don't want to throw you in training and throw you a couple of pens and a pad and a stuffed animal and say, all right, go out in the community and kill it, right? So you've got to, and you have to complete all that, right, before you come to training. And while that may seem like a pain, right, it's all the things we've deemed, necessary to set you up for success when you come to training, so that when you go home from training, day one, that following Monday, you can operate, right? And you can get busy and you can start networking, you can start your sales. So we have our Jumpstart program for all of our brands. And then once you do open, all of our brands have what we call our Kickstart program. And you kind of mentioned how important that first year is. We agree 100%. So our brands typically have a dedicated Kickstart coach. And those people, of course, we have business coaches you have for the life of your franchise, right? From year 2 on out. But those people are specifically, their goals are to work with you during that first year, because to your point, there's a lot in that first year that you have to get off on the right foot in order for years 2 through 10 through 20, right, to be successful. So those coaches are focused on just getting you up and running in that first year and going out in the field with you and making sure you know how to do sales, and make sure you're training your technicians the right way, making sure you have all the tools you need, making sure your digital marketing is all set, right? It's all the things that, and they're your liaison to marketing and to accounting and to franchise administration and to training and coaching. They can be your single point of contact that then brings the team together depending on what your needs are. And all that's done in that first year. And that's, if you get to month 12 and the coaches feel like you're a little, kind of that baby giraffe analogy you mentioned, legs are still a little bit wobbly, we'll hang on to you in that program for another 6 months if that's what it deems. If you're just crushing it and you're ready to kind of graduate to normal business coaching, we'll move you over to that area too. So that's a lot of what we've implemented just to focus on that first year. It's so critical, right? You get off on the wrong foot, you're going to be pissed off at the franchisor, right? You're going to, want to kick the dog. I mean, you're just going to have so much stress. So it's already stressful enough to open a small business, franchise or otherwise. But we try to make, smooth out the speed bumps as much as we can during that first year.